Welcome to another video. In this video, we are going to install XAMPP server in our Windows system. Windows system, I mean our actual Windows system and not any virtual machine. So go to your browser and simply search XAMPP download Windows. This Apache Friends page is going to appear. That is the official page. You're just going to go to the download tab and select the latest version. After like 5 or 6 seconds, it's going to start download. If it doesn't, you can just click here and select this green button down. And after 4 seconds, it's going to start downloading the installer. So since I clicked it several times, it's downloading several installers, but that doesn't matter. So go to the folder where you have the downloader, the installer, and right click it and run as administrator. So once I click run as administrator, it is going to interrupt the screen recording, but I'm going to start it immediately so I don't miss anything or any option. So I'm going to click run administrator, and after that you will see this message. It's just the default message. You can just press OK, and we are going to press next. There's nothing special here. In this part, make sure you deselect everything except MySQL and phpmyadmin. So these are the things which we are going to require for our target. And this video again is going to be like 3 or 4 video series. We are going to build a very beautiful web page, a website, for example. So default folder, you can select it. I already had installed it like a year ago, so I already have the default folder. So I just cleared that folder, and you can proceed installation with the default path which they provide. That's the recommended way to do it as well. Once that's done, installation can take 5 to 6 minutes. So those who are not aware, XAMPP converts your Windows into a web server. So don't be afraid. Again, it doesn't make something something grand out of it. It just allows your Windows system to host web pages. So these pop-ups are going to appear to ask access to network. You just have to allow them because the XAMPP service is going to initiate the ports where you can localhost, where you can see your web pages. As you know, network traffic is distributed on the ports. So once it's done, do you want to start the control panel now? Yes, I do. It's going to pop up your control panel. That's where you handle your services. We can configure passwords and stuff, but for now I want to keep it minimal. You're just going to start Apache. That's what allows you to host the web page, and MySQL, which includes our phpmyadmin, which is a simple way to create MySQL databases. So we are going to work on SQL as well. So once again, the pop-up is going to appear for SQL. To allow network, you are just going to select allow. So once it's green, usually it is going to be like that. If you are doing it for the first time, everything is configured and working. You can just go on localhost, and if your page appears, the default XAMPP Apache page, it means it's working. In my case, it did. You can just search localhost, or you can use, as I did, the link HTTP, but it doesn't matter in both cases. We can also use our local IP, but we will talk about it in the next videos. Beside that, if you remember, we installed phpmyadmin. So those who don't know, phpmyadmin is a web-based manager for SQL, and it is one of the most easiest and lightest way we can have SQL in our system. So I'm going to go to the phpmyadmin folder inside localhost. So we are looking for these things inside XAMPP. It's the XAMPP which is holding our phpmyadmin page. Here you see that I can access my phpmyadmin. There are the default databases. We are going to work on that as well. We will create a database, a fictional database for a shop, for a store, for a showroom, something like that to practice our skills. So thank you for watching. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for the next process. Thank you.